Hey, what is up, techie people? Hopefully, everyone is doing well out there. First of all, happy weekend to everybody out there. And for today's episode, I have a phenomenal watch face in the house, which is from your Rarity Watch Faces. And this one is available on the Samsung Galaxy apps under the name of Terra Mechanica Carbon Scarlet. So, as you can see, the watch face has quite a bit of detail in the background. We have moving parts, moving machinery, and here is our rotating Earth. And once again, developer was kind enough to provide his super handy online coupon generated tool. As you can see here, it is just select your country, copy the code and apply it on the Samsung Galaxy apps. And once again, coupon codes are extremely limited. Make sure you try your luck as soon as possible due to latest Samsung policy. And guys, moving back to the watch face design, here you can see we have quite a bit of detail here. And you can change the theme as well just by double tapping here in the background. Now you can see the colors are changing. We have darker colors, we have red and black combination, which is my favorite. And further I have this moving machinery which I can hide or show. And the customization is unlimited with this watch face. You can see here we have this red and black combination. Further you can see 45 animated styles are present with this carbon scarlet watch face. And talking about shortcuts, if I tap here at the top, it will take me to my specific app shortcut menu, like here, from where I can assign my favorite apps. In the same way, I can tap here at this bottom area to go to my heart rate, and we have two more specific app shortcuts. Like if I tap here, this is another one. So in this way I could control this watch face in a great way. Further guys, you have to download this watch face on your smartwatch to see the detail in person, because camera can't do the justice with this specific design. You can see here the customization, the colors, the rotating dials, everything is unlimited with this design. So now we will see its always on display mode. So guys, this is how the always on display mode on the Terra Mechanica carbon watch face will look like. Once again, you can see even in the always on display mode we have immense detail with the background. Our animation is now stopped to conserve the battery life. We have a darker background with red index dials, but still it is looking quite good. You can rotate the dial, animation will be back, and now colors are here. So just try it out from the Galaxy apps. This one is a must in your collection, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.